Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. I am Muhammad Johar A. Haron. So, here is the problem number one. So, the problem, two cylinder A and B are connected by a piston of two different diameters. Cylinder B contains a gas. Cylinder A contains oil pumped up to pressure of 300 kilopascal by a hydraulic pump. The mass of the piston is 10 kilogram and calculate the gas pressure in the cylinder B. So, yung pressure daw sa A, which is yung pressure ng oil, is equals to 300 kilopascal. At saka given din yung pressure ng atmospheric. Yung atmospheric is equals to, ito yung pressure ng air, which is equals to 100 kilopascal. So ito yung ito yung pressure ng air sa piston. So i-convert natin to. So para maging pascal is i-times lang ng 1000. So 300 times 10 to the power of 3 pascal, and yung 100 din is 100 times 10 to the 3 pascal. So yung diameter ng A, convert natin kasi millimeter yung given, so i-convert din natin sa meter. So dA is equals to 100 millimeter, magiging 0.1 meters. So D diameter sa cylinder B is 25 millimeter, so magiging 0.025 meters. So i-divide lang ng 1000. And yung way ng pag-solve dito is kukunin natin yung summation ng forces. Bali yung F net yung hahanapin natin. So F net is just equals to mass times gravity equals to 0. So ito yung summation ng lahat ng forces. So yung gawin natin positive yung force sa cylinder B. So yung sa cylinder B is yan yung pressure ng yung force ng air. Yung force ng air plus yung force ng force ng gas, yung sa cylinder B is yung force ng gas plus yung force ng air. Ito yung atmospheric at saka ito yung sa B. So yung yung sa force din ng cylinder A, yung sa malaking cylinder is ma-minus siya kasi na opposing sa force from the cylinder na maliit. So ito yung force ng oil minus force ng oil, at saka yung mass, yung gravity mass din ng yung piston is minus din yung force ng piston equals to 0. So given din dito yung mass equals to 10 kilogram. so remember lang natin dito yung force is just equals to pressure times area. So ito expand natin to. So ito siya, yung pressure ng gas times yung area ng sa maliit na cylinder, area ng B, plus yung pressure ng air. Then i-times din natin dito yung i-minus natin yung piston, yung area ng piston na malaki, at saka yung maliit na piston is i-minus yung yung area ng malaki, which is yung area ng A, na i-minus yung area ng B. So i-minus din yung pressure ng oil times the area ng A, and then yung weight ng piston mg equals to 0. So transpose natin, pressure ng gas times area ng B plus pressure ng air times at saka area ng B equals to pressure ng oil times area ng A plus mass times gravity. So ito yung sa piston, sa oil, sa air, sa yung sa cylinder B, yung cylinder malaki. So substitute natin yung formula, yung equation. So P of gas times yung area ng A is 1/4 pi 0.025 squared plus yung pressure ng air is just equals to 100 times 10 to the 3 times yung area ng 1/4 pi, yung area ng malaki is 0.1 squared, and then minus din yung area ng maliit, which is 1/4 pi 0.025 squared. Ito is equals to yung pressure ng oil, which is 300 times 10 to the 3 Pascal yan. Then yung area sa malaki na piston, so 1/4 pi 0.1 squared plus 10 kilogram yung piston, and then yung gravitational force. So solve natin yan. So P of gas times 1/4 pi 0.025 squared plus yung ito is 100 times 10 to the 3, and then 1/4 pi of 0.1 squared, and then minus yung area ng maliit, 1/4 pi 0.025 squared. So 785.39. So dapat naman masipat ito. So 736 equals to 736.331 newtons. Yung units niya is newton kasi na force. So yung isa naman, yung sa oil, equals to 300 times 10 to the 3, then 1/4 pi 0.1 squared. So 2,356.19 newton plus yung 9 times 81 times 10, 9.81 times 10 is just 98.1 newton. So transpose natin to. So magiging P of gas times 1/4 pi 0.025 squared, and then 2356.19 plus 98.1 minus 736.31. So ito magiging answer nito is 2356.19 plus 98.1 minus 736.31. 31. So 1 equals to 1717.98 newton. So i-divide natin yung area, bali ito yung magiging pressure na gas. Divide natin yung area dito, then 1/4 pi 0.025 squared. So magiging answer nito is P of gas equals to divided by 1/4 pi, then 0.025 squared. So ito. So 349,984 Pascal. So i-convert natin into megapascal, divided by 1,000 1 million. So 3.5 megapascal. So that's it. Thank you. Okay na.